Good morning, friends, followers, family, miscreants, outlaws, in-laws. How we doing, guys? Today, let me show you what I got going on here. Sorry, my chair was doing a little crazy stuff this morning. Today is going to be just a little short video. You know what? I always say that, and it always ends up being not a short video. But anyhow, guys. I'm going to try to keep it short this time, I promise. Let me get you turned around on the bench and I'll show you what I got going on. So yeah, guys, today is September 1st, 2025, and you guys know what that means if you've been following my channel or Link's channel for any length of time in the last month or so. Let me get you down to the bench and I'll show you what we got happening here. Just a sec. There we go. See, that was harmless. Just a small little ride down to the bench. It's all good. So yeah. This is what we're talking about today. The box stock group build that Link and I are hosting. The box stock group build that goes from today, September 25th, to March 1st, 2026 of next year. Yeah, guys, it's a box stock group build, and what that means is you open the box, build what's in it, don't add anything to it. If it's got plug wires in the box, you can use it. If it's got chrome parts in the box, you can use it. As long as it's in the box when you open it. It doesn't have to be an auto. It doesn't have to be a truck. It can be any kind of model kit that you can imagine. It can be a horse-drawn carriage for all I care. You can build a military vehicle, an airplane, a wagon. It does not matter. You can build a Gundam if you want. You can build a figure. And I've seen model kits of cartoon characters. Build you a rat fink. It does not matter. As long as what's in the box is what you build. Yeah, open the box, build what's in it, use your preference of tools and paint and glue and have at it. But yeah. Like I said, it goes from September 1st to March 1st. And, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys jump in on the group build. If you have any questions, send a message to either Link or myself, and we will get you straightened out. But, now that all the formalities are done, hang on to that a minute, Shaggy. Yeah, hang on to that, buddy. Let me show you what I'm doing for the group build. Hang on, let me scoot back a little bit. Yeah, this is my entry. I won this at a raffle at the last Blue Angel show last year. In 2024, September last year, I believe it was. But yeah, this is a pretty cool kit. And my wife's dad used to have one of these when he was I don't remember if it was just before they got married or when he was right out of the Navy or whatever. But Leonard, if you're watching, man, thank you for your service and appreciate everything you've done for our little family here. But yeah, I don't know when Leonard had this car, but he said he used to have one. And I think he said it was this actual color. It's the 1964 Chevy Malibu SS Craftsman Series. It being a Craftsman Series, that means it doesn't have an engine. It's a curbside. And here's all the stuff, the two-wheel options, and it's got pad-printed tires and side view mirrors, and has an engine plate. It says it's easy assembly. That's always fun. I like easy. It says it has all new tooling, colorful decals. I'm not sure I'm going to put the decals on it or not, but it's a low parts count. Wrong way. So yeah, 63 parts, and you guys can tell what's in the box. As you can tell, it's not been opened yet. and I will do a box opening on the next update for this one. In the meantime, you guys, if you want a shop card from me, go ahead and send me an email down here at rickw721@gmail.com, and I'll get one sent out to you. Having said that, remember, here's your, and when you guys, if you join the box site group build and you post up your pictures on YouTube or Facebook or wherever you put them, please put this hashtag Assemblers Unite in the description, so we'll know how to find you. But and if you don't have Facebook or YouTube or do any of the social media stuff, send the pictures to my email or to Link's email, and we'll get them posted up for you. This is going to be a very informal deal. We're not going to have like a contest or anything in the end, but we will show all of your videos at the end. Hopefully we can keep track with it. If we can't, let me apologize now if it gets kind of crazy and we lose track of it. This is our first foray into doing group builds. So mine and Link's, we haven't done one before, and we decided to do this together, and hopefully we can lean on each other and figure out what's going on with it. But yeah, here I go rambling again. But anyhow, guys, that's it. Like I said, if you have any more questions for us, then go ahead and shoot us an email, and we will get it taken care of. In the meantime, keep the stash growing and the airburst blowing. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.